Hey folks, Samsung just finished up with the Galaxy S24 launch and now they're turning their attention to some new mid-range smartphones. Meet the Galaxy A55 5G and A55 5G, sporting a cool, key island design. And guess what? The Galaxy A35 and A55 are up next, and we've got a peek at their designs thanks to some live images. The Galaxy A35's picture showed up in a certification database, while the Galaxy A55's design was spotted in China's TENAA certification database. The A55, with the model number SMA5560, is rocking that distinctive key island design with flat sides and curved corners. It's rumored to come with a triple camera setup, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, a micro SD card slot, and dual SIM support, keeping that sleek look Samsung introduced with the A5 and A25. Now, onto the A55. Maybe it'll be called i55. It's looking like it'll have a 6.67-inch OLED display, a triple rear camera setup, 50MP plus 8MP plus 2 megapixels, a 13-megapixel selfie camera, and a whopping 5,000 mAh battery. Word on the street is it could be powered by the Exynos 148 processor with AMD graphics, offering 8 256GB storage options and running Android 14 right out of the box. Plus, it might have up to 25W fast charging, an in-display fingerprint reader, and all the connectivity options you could want. What's cool about the Galaxy A55 is its metal frame, a step up from the plastic builds we've seen in the Galaxy S series. While the A55 sounds great, don't forget about the slightly pricier Galaxy S23 FE, packing some serious flagship features like a powerful processor and zoom camera. Thanks for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Catch you later. Peace out.